4G63 is an iconic motor. This thing can take a lot of abuse and keep on ticking. When you think of motors that have stand the test of time, you think of 2JZ, RB26, and the 4G63 is right there with them. These motors can make gobs and gobs of power. Even with a stock bottom end, people are pushing over 500 horsepower with these. My motor is far from stock. It has GSC S2 cams in it, Eagle crank, and Wesco HD 9:1 compression pistons. This motor is more than capable of over 600 horsepower. The air intake is made by ETS. From the factory, they come with a mass airflow sensor. The ETS intake doesn't run on a MAF because it's tuned on speed density. With speed density, you have a much more refined ability to dial in your AFRs. Another benefit of it is it's been proven to make more horsepower than its MAF counterpart. With speed density, if you blow a charge pipe, you're still able to limp home without your car driving like complete garbage. After the air enters the turbocharger, the compressed air is cooled by an ETS upper and lower intercooler pipe with an ETS 3.5-inch intercooler. The exhaust gases flow off the rear of the car via a 3-inch turbovac exhaust made by Gredi. I can't stress the importance of getting quality parts. I once had this exhaust for a previous Eagle build that ended up having to be modified because it ended up the downpipe banging on the T-case and eventually causing damage to the transfer case. English Racing handled the tuning of the stock ECU with ECU Flash. It has a dual map setup to run either pump gas or E85. I prefer the E85 map because I'm able to hit my desired horsepower levels. I think for a street car, 400 horsepower is more than enough. I know there'll be some guys that say that's not enough power, but I'm not trying to go in a straight line. I guess time will tell if that's enough.